Ladies and gentlemen, they call me Victor Brown, the Sugar Vibe. And just so you know, I'm chilling with Nigeria's finest band, Soundproof, up in the city. It took a while, but we're here right now, and we're ready to party. Are you ready to party? I present to you Soundproof REFIX, Open Fire. Let's go there.
Small body big, can't you see? Small body big, can't you see?
What you saying? What you saying right now?
Small body big.
Let's go. Say what? Soundproof up in the beat right now. How you running for the vibe? Let's go, let's go. Come on. Give me the vibe. Say what? Here we go. What you saying? Give me the move. Give me the vibe. Let's go. Let's go one time. Come on. Say what? You know the vibe right now. Soundproof. 1, 2, 3, switch it. What? Here we go. We outside. We just got it started. We outside with Rama right now. Are you ready? Let's go. Drop it. Say what? What you say, my G? Let's go. Say what? Alright, you know the vibe right now. Let's go. Push it up. Push it up. Alright. It's about to go down. 1, 2, 3, say. Sugar mommy. Small time when I spend with you. Your pikin don't wear my boss house. Yeah, he don't wear my boss house. Wait, your pikin don't show love, oh. Hey, he don't show love, oh. Your pikin don't show love, oh. Yeah, he don't show. Say, how you go buy GK with 100K? You can't verse say the motor not start. How you go buy GK with 100K? You can't verse say the motor not start. Let's go. Wait, the story not clear. The story not clear. We are serving our shake right now. Turn it on, turn it on. Everybody watch out. Give me the move. Oh yeah, now let's go. Yeah.